Jude's back from vacation. He also got pregnant on vacation. Congratulations, Jude. So Jude's back, Caleb's off. We have, today it's an odd day, we have exhaust work. Isn't that weird? I'll find you guys some viewage here. Some viewage. Oh, there we go. So this is a G4? What is this, Jude? G6? So this is, she's definitely in need of some love. I don't know how some people can just drive around with the front end knocking and banging and not be in fear that parts are going to fall off your car. Parts are going to fall off of your car, people. Okay. So this has been serviced several times here. So we're just repairing what was wrong with this, which is a rear flex and a flex pipe up here. Well, I'm going to weld these in as soon as Jude's done putting the car up. Then we have another exhaust job in 4-bay that's got 2 broken transmission mounts and needs a front pipe and a mid pipe and a muffler with near 300,000 miles, but the tailpipe is still good, so we're going to save that. And just similar to this system, a lot of the front pipe is still good, the back section is still good, and we're not here to sell you stuff that you don't need. So that's what we do here. We fix what we can, and when we can't, we replace what we have to. So let's look at this car over here. I would say the rear brakes are near shot and probably needs calipers as well. Our motor mount's dead? Well, we should be checking it when you bring the car in. Drop the car now. I see a lot of used parts and new parts on this car. Yeah, smash it up. That's not bad. Okay. Not bad at all. You see the rod on that? Yeah. Let's see how the brake one is. All right. Can I weld now?
What else?
And the rear brakes are shot. Center brakes. And the customer said that the battery's bad too.
Oh, no, she doesn't want it.
Let's weld, baby. Oh, she's flowing today. Some days it just doesn't want to burn, and then
Some days it's perfect, and other days it's
some days it burns, baby. What do I need to look at now?
This self-tapping phone to try and...
Yeah. What, to stop the road noise?
No, it's just cover the gap.
Yeah. You know what's fucked up? Is that he doesn't have the money for a battery now. He thinks he's gonna have the money for an alternator when it burns out because he keeps trying to charge a dead battery. Yeah. That's facts, people. If your battery is weak, it puts an additional heat in the alternator and burns up the electronics and also burns up your starter. So if you have a battery that's between 3 and 5 years old, just change it. If the battery was going bad in your cell phone, you would run right out and spend $1,000 for a new phone, right?
Yes.
Absolutely. And that's how it happens. People think driving around with a bad battery or electrical problem, and then it fries the alternator, and then now you need both. Yeah, she's flowing good today. Put some bubblegum snots up on this thing. Yeah. Ooh, she's flowing nice today. Ooh, yeah, she's flowing nice today. Only people who weld on a car and over their head know the struggles. And it's not really a struggle. It's just extra work. I got a real nice one outside to look at. We got one more weld to do. And then I gotta leak check this because I'm going over old work with new work, with old pipe, contaminated pipe from whatever year this pipe is. And now I have it on pulse weld. Like that. Pulse weld. And if anybody watching Beavis and Butthead?
Some people do not have the door latch, but Pullman Ford has it in stock. He approved it. Just so you're aware. Last time we paid 200 plus shop supplies and tax.
Flex pipe day. Floor bay's got a broken cat flex pipe. This has 2 flex pipes. That's got a broken flex pipe. That's flex pipe day. Anybody watching Beavis and Butthead? Oh, uno sabe. Voila. Alright. Now we must leak check. Let me say, oh, we're still videotaping, huh? What? Saving this customer tons of money? Yeah, so April and I watched Beavis and Butthead. It's just to break up the stress and bull crap, you know. We watch Richard Pryor. We watch, who else makes us laugh? Some comedy stuff. Chappelle. We watch Chappelle. Dude makes me laugh. Gotta laugh. If not, I'm gonna go crazy. So Jude will be back full time in March. Sierra moved on to doing something else. I'm not sure exactly what that is. I guess she's pursuing the body shop life. I don't really know. Just give you guys an update here. We're going to continue to make progress. Ooh, she sounds good. What year is this turd? An 08? Well, let me zoom you out. I need to check my work because this is subletted from another shop. So I do a lot of exhaust work for a lot of used car dealerships and also other shops. If I had my choice, I would do exhaust all day long. I love it, and I'm good at it. And I can save customers tons of money and make a living at it. All right, so let's set you guys back up here so you can check the process. Do you need my help, Rachel? Do you need my help? Oh, there's my leak.
Do you need my help to find your leak?
Yeah. I'm just going to let you know I released all the stinky demons. Because you had 2 days of getting gassed out. Finally, no. I don't know. I don't know where they came from. It was just like I eat the same stuff every day. Remember I stopped eating eggs? Because eggs are too expensive.
No, we eat too many eggs. That's the problem. Eggs are good, but in portions, and not every single day.
He's got a section of pipe back here that's got a little leak in it.
Eggs can be expensive.
Did you hear me?
So what?
Underneath this hanger, there's a little leak.
Can you fix it?
Not without cutting out more pieces, so that's a little.
How much more do you want? I'm not worried about the price at all.
I just don't think it's necessary right now. I would say I would wait for the resonator to go bad since it's so small. And somebody else's work here is leaking. Just tell them there's a little leak down the hanger in the back I can't get. I wouldn't worry about it right now.
Tell them there's a little leak in the back.
Yeah, see under this hanger? There's a leak under here. And it's little. So is it worth going at it without changing the resonator? I would say I would wait for the resonator to fail. It's such a
resonator.
It's a small leak.
How much for the resonator?
So say there's a small leak at the hanger in front of the resonator. That's all you want to say.
Hey, it's Rachel. Is Bob there?
Other than that, we're done. I don't think it's warrant doing it, but see what the customer has to say.
How much for the
Thanks for watching.